Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Kellogg telephone. It's a Redbar, and Michelle and her husband sent this in from California. And basically this is not a telephone at all. This is an intercom system, private select intercom telephone is basically what it is. It's not a home telephone, and everything in this telephone is basically set up for an intercom system. And this is not another number 10 dial like you would see in a normal telephone. This is a number 11. So the points on this rotary dial here would start out open instead of closed, and they were closed in regular telephones. So you could take this and put this dial in a regular telephone and it would never work for you. It just is not set up to work properly. And then we have some modules that were inside the telephone, and the Redbars have these. This telephone is kind of before its time, but this is an intercom system telephone. And as you can see, this one's black, but most of the intercom ones were supposed to be brown. And then you had your button there, you could ring your party. But we're going to set this telephone up for home use, and I'm going to show you here real quick. I took this dial and wanted to use the regular dial, the original dial that we had here, and I reconfigured this dial so that it could be used in a regular phone situation. I've redesigned my points. I've moved them so that they're in a closed position. I've got some set screws here that I can adjust things with. So you have to basically redesign the dial. And when you redesign the dial, you're going to have to also move the finger stop. This finger stop here was back down here, and it has to be up here, or you'll be dialing a 2 when you dial the 1, and you'll be dialing a 3 when you dial the 2, so it'll be one number ahead of itself if you don't move the finger stop up. So anyway, there's a lot of work involved in doing what I did, redesigning the dial inside, but you have to do that if you want to use this dial for regular telephone. This is a number 11 dial for the intercom, and the number 10s were for regular telephones. But I see no reason why we couldn't convert this, redesign this dial, and so I did. If you watch the analyzer, I'm going to go ahead and there's a 1, there's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, I'll end up in a 2. Now also what I want to do is I'm going to take the handset and I want to set it down here because I want you to be able to hear. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into a regular line. I'm going to dial a time and temp number. Okay, so basically what has happened here, and they don't give us too much time on YouTube, is the dial has been reconfigured now, and we can use this dial in a telephone setting, and it's going to be really cool when we finish this off, because normally a telephone like this, unless you did some searching around for a number 10 dial and some inside parts, functioning parts for the network and all that, unless you started searching things down and got a different bell, this bell's on a different frequency, you wouldn't be able to use this telephone. And so I'm sure people have gotten a hold of these before in their intercom phones, and they just go to waste because nobody knows how to restore them or reconvert them, redesign them, and that's why we're here. So if you have a situation like this, don't let them tell you that you can't redesign that dial and make an 11 dial work like a number 10 dial. It can be done. It just takes a little bit of work. Anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. And I'm going to do some more videos of this telephone as we move along. We're going to, we've talked to the customer, and we've decided that we're going to install a new board on the inside of this telephone and use it as a network and have a modern microphone and receiver element in this telephone, just to kind of move them into the future with this telephone, but yet it'll still be a rotary working telephone with a new modern board. And the reason why we're doing that is because this is an intercom system phone, and we're just going to go ahead and go the mile and put the newer style stuff inside. And you'll never know. It'll just have a good quality to it, and hope it lasts for years to come. So this is Dennis with A1 Telephone, A1 Electronics. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.